This lesson is on double-digit addition with regrouping. When the sum of the digits in the ones place is 10 or more, we need to regroup. Let's look at the problem 38 plus 26. Now remember, I'm going to draw the line down the middle. Where do we start in the ones place? Well, we know that 8 plus 6 is 14. Now the problem we run into here is we can't write two digits underneath that. Because what would happen next if we did do that was we would come over here and do 3 plus 2 and write 5. Well, we know our answer cannot be 514 because 38 plus 26 does not equal nearly that much. So let's look at it again and see what we can do. Draw the line down the middle again. Again, 8 plus 6 is 14. Where are we going to put the 1 and where are we going to put the 4? Now before I show you here, I'm going to draw a picture to make it more clear. Let's draw the picture out in tens and ones. Let's start with 38. This represents 10. 10, 20, 30. Now we need to do 8 ones, and the little tiny squares are going to represent the ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. We're going to add, here's our plus sign, the 26. Let's draw 26 out. 10, 20, and remember our little cubes are the ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now what we're going to do with all these ones, because they're more than 10, is we're going to regroup them and turn them into a 10. Let me show you how we do that. Remember up here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to take 1, 2 ones from here. And this right here can be crossed out and regrouped into a 10. And we're going to draw that. Because we got rid of those ones, we have to replace those 10 ones with a 10 bar. Now we still have these ones over here left over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count this up and see what we get. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we can't add these ones because we crossed them out and we regrouped. 61, 62, 63, 64. That's how we regrouped with the drawing to get our answer. Now let's go back to the problem and see how we do that. Let's go back again to the 8 plus 6. We said 8 plus 6 is 14. We cannot write the two digits underneath that. What we need to do is take that 10, remember the one we regrouped, and we're going to put it over in the 10's place, just like we did in the drawing. We're going to move it over. And remember those 4 ones that we had left over? That stays in the ones column. And you can see that number is split. 14 is split. You have your 10 over there, and you have your 4 in the ones place. Now, when we go to add the 10's place, we add 3 plus 2, but it's very, very important that we don't forget to add that 1, because we regrouped and we added that 10 over there. So 3 plus 2 would be 5, plus 1 more would be 6. Our answer is 64, and it matches our picture. Let's try another one. 46 plus 34. Well, we know that 6 plus 4 is 10, and we've already talked about the fact that we can't write two digits underneath that. We're going to have to regroup. Let's draw first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, plus 34. Let's draw out 34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now look at our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we do is we cross those out and we regroup them. We can't just get rid of them, but what we're going to do is change them into a 10. So those 10 ones get switched out for a 10 bar. It's the same thing, we're just changing it into something else. Let's see what we get. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now from our drawing, we got the answer 80. Let's go over to our problem. I'm going to draw the line down the middle to remind us of our tens in one places, and we always start in the ones place. 6 plus 4 is 10. What we need to do with that 110 is move it over to the tens place, just like we did in our drawing. And the 0 is in the ones place, because you can see from our drawing there are no ones left. Then we come over to the tens and we add 4 plus 3, that's 7, plus 1 more is 8. There's our answer, it's the same. Let's try another one. 76 plus 19. Well, we know that 9 plus 6 is 15. We cannot write 2 digits under there. We're going to have to regroup. Let's draw it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, plus 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's regroup those ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle them so you can see them, that we can get rid of and regroup into a 10 bar. So let's draw that. You can't remember to draw it. If you're taking it away, it's coming back in a different form. It still equals the same amount. Now we don't have enough ones left over to regroup again, so let's count up what we have. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. We got 95 from our picture. Let's go to our problem. We said 9 plus 6 is 15. Remember that 10 we regrouped? We need to move it over. It goes over here in the tens place. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those leftover ones, they go here. Now we can add the tens up. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. The answer is 95. Let's try one without the drawing and see if we can do it. 15 plus 67. Let's start with 7 and count up 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We cannot write 12 under there. We're going to have to regroup. What we're going to do is take that 110 and we're going to move it over in the tens place. After we do that, we still have those 2 ones left over. Those will stay in the ones place. Now, we can't forget to add that 10 up on the top, so it would be 6, 7, 8. Our answer would be 82. Let's try another one. 87 plus 4. Well, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need to regroup. It's a 2-digit number. So, we're going to take that 10, and we're going to move it in the tens place, that 110. Now, since it was 11, there's still 1 left over. We'll write that here. Then we add up our tens. 8 plus 1 is 9. Our answer is 91. Let's try another one. 36 plus 39. We always start with our bigger number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need to regroup. It's 10 or more. So we're going to take that 10 and 15, and we're going to move it here. We're going to have 5 ones left over. Those 5 ones go here. And when you look at it, you can see it's the number 15 kind of split in half. Now over here we do 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Our answer is 75. Let's try one more. Let's try 16 plus 55. We know that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. That's 10 or more. We need to regroup because we cannot put 2 digits here. Well, we take the 10 out of 11 and we move that 1 10 over here. But when we do that, there's a 1 left over. And as you can see again, it is the number 11. It kind of looks like it's split. We just moved the 10 over and we kept the 1s where they were. Now we add 5 plus 1 is 6. Don't forget to add that 1 10 that we moved over. That makes 7. Our answer is 71. That concludes our lesson today on double-digit addition with regrouping.